Cars and trucks are what he hears. Red car, blue car, shiny and bright. Nofel smiles with pure